Hey guys, Brian Schroeder here with Buyers Club. I'm here with Tammy Dennison with 314 Quality Cleaning. And Tammy's got a great story here. And so we have a lot of investors in the audience. So Tammy, what do you guys do for real estate investors?
So 314 Quality Cleaning actually caters to all investors, whether you're a landlord, a real estate agent, a wholesaler. We help you get those properties to the market, whether it's to the rehabber, real estate agent. We try to work with everyone to enable them to move their product.
So I think a lot of people will think of a cleaning company and think of cleaning people's personal homes and coming in on a weekly basis. You don't do that. You specialize in working for investors where they're turning a property over between tenants, right?
Right, right.
Or the flipper or the builder that either rehabs a project or builds a house and do that post-construction cleaning. Is that right?
Absolutely. We work with a lot of builders that they let us know, hey, I got a project. We did a new addition. We need somebody to come in and get it ready so the customer can take that part of their property back over.
Yeah.
It's very customer orientated because everyone has a different project that they're doing, whether it's a brand new build and it's everything or it's an addition.
What I think is special about you guys, though, is that you specialize in cleaning after a rehab versus you think a lot of cleaning companies just they're used to cleaning when people are living there. So it's a totally different type of cleaning, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The cleaning we do is always top to bottom, left to right, in and out, over, under. You can't miss anything because the last thing the builder wants or the person, real estate agent doesn't want somebody rubbing up against a wall and they now have drywall dust all over them. So we have to touch everything.
And how many people you have on your team right now?
Right now, I have 6 people, and we pretty much can do any project that you have.
You are an investor.
Correct.
So you understand investors. A lot of investors are, I don't know, they're always in a hurry. I don't know if you've ever noticed that, but
No.
right. So I know you can't expect to be called right away, but are you pretty quick at getting out on a project?
Absolutely. Normally, I need about 3 days leeway.
Oh, that's great. That's hardly anything.
No.
That's
No,
awesome.
we schedule really well. If it's a big project, please give us a little better time. It takes time to really do that thorough job so you have an awesome product. And then that being said too, we contact you immediately if we find, hey, your pipes are leaking under the sink. They weren't tightened up. Anything out of the ordinary, or we need, because we work on lockbox a lot, we want to make sure that you're kept informed of anything that comes up. So having that investor landlord mentality also helps.
That's huge. You can see that as being a huge benefit.
Absolutely.
Awesome. So I think everybody understands the type of cleaning you do. Is there any other services that you guys do for real estate investors?
Yes, we can do. If you're a wholesaler, we can come in and we can spruce the property up. You get that grandma house that has 3 inches of dust everywhere. Sometimes it's really hard for people to see through some dust and dirt. So coming in and doing a surface clean to make it a little nicer helps. We have a team of people that can do a trash out. We're not opposed to them. We'll get in there, we'll get them done. We're really good at it. So
what I heard you say there is another reason that separates you from the typical cleaner is that you don't need the house to be perfect, beautiful. You're willing to clean the house and you understand wholesalers, and so you're willing to help them out.
Exactly.
Take the ugly out of some houses, if one way to say it, I guess.
Definitely. Sometimes just getting, the floors cleaned up, vacuuming things down, dusting everything down is a huge, huge point to the flipper because they come in and they're like, oh my God, on top of everything else, I got this too. So having that done, it gives them a better idea of what needs to be done on their end.
So whether you're a flipper that's got a brand new house, or a builder that's got a brand new house, or a landlord that just spruced up a house real nice, or if you're a wholesaler just needs a house, make it look a little bit better, or even a trash out to fill a dumpster. You guys are willing to do all of that.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thanks for coming in and talking to us today, Tammy.
Yeah.
For people to reach you.
They can call me, they can text me, they can email me. You can go to my website, w314qualitycleaning.com, and you can see past work on the site.
Nice.
There is a form out there that you can reach out for a quote.
Perfect.
And my phone number's there also.
Awesome. Thanks, Tammy.